throw the peel of an orange after eating it? If yes, here's a video for you which can get those orange peels for brightening effect on your skin, which is full of antioxidants and vitamin C. As we all know, orange juice is best for skin whitening, which promotes collagen synthesis and reduces inflammation. So this orange concoction that what I am going to teach you today is wonderful for your skin health. Also controls your appetite. Is the best time to have this concoction is just before your breakfast or early morning if you are not used to having any other thing. To have this drink is just before bedtime if you're good, if oranges suit you, and you'll sleep like a baby. It's not only good for your skin glow and brightening, it also gives you that flavonoids and ascorbic acid rate. It is very good for your skin brightening and skin health. Maybe you get such concoctions or drinks in the market in various kinds, but here I'm teaching you how to do it naturally, which will be highly beneficial for your skin and overall health. So you can have this on regular basis. Try for 2 to 3 days if it suits you. You can also have this instead of your tea or coffee. Just try it for a week. So along with this, for a healthy glow on your skin, focus on your overall health, a balanced diet full of fruits and vegetables, lots of vitamins and minerals, and your protein intake also rich in beta carotene, which is essential for your skin health. Here we are focusing on our skin health apart from the glow and reducing the skin damage and signs of aging, pigmentation and wrinkles. Let's start making this for some juicy effects and a radiant skin. Let's go. So turn on the heat on low flame and then take 2 to 3 cups of water. You can take distilled water here and let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. Did you know the orange peel has more vitamin C than the orange pulp? So here I separating the orange flesh from the peels for this recipe. We are only going to use the peels. You can eat the fruit or the pulp, which is so tasty. After thoroughly washing, I'm going to put this into the hot water and let it simmer on low flame for at least 3 to 4 minutes. This drink is a Chinese beauty secret for all the orange lovers. They are so good. Next up, we've taken kesar, which improves your skin complexion and smoothens the texture. So this superb formulation fades away dark patches. You can take 3 to 4 strands of pure kesar, and which protects your skin from tanning. Next up, I have taken 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and set this aside for around 10 to 15 minutes for the jelly layer to be formed. And this is an excellent choice in our drink. Chia is filled with vitamin A, B1, B2, potassium, phosphorus, and omega-3 fatty acids. So see that it has simmered with the kesar and with the orange peels. Look at the water. Now I have sieved it and I am going to also put in the chia seeds, the soaked what we had kept aside. I'm going to put it in this. Drinking this regulates the blood sugar level, relieves constipation. It's packed with fiber and it's an excellent fat burner. So this concoction, it boosts immunity. It is good for digestion due to its vitamin C and fiber content, which also has compounds like limonene, hesperidin, and obiletin that support heart health, metabolism, and potentially reduce the inflammation in the body. Let it set aside for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll be adding honey as per your preference. You can add to this and give it a nice mix. Citric acid helps reduce acne causing bacteria and control excess oil production, which can actually clog pores and lead to breakouts. With this, the juice of half a lemon, if squeezed and put in this drink, make it the best concoction. You can have it hot, you can have it cold, depends on your choice, on your preference. So this is the way we made our glow juice, our glow drink, our glow concoction for our skin health, which is so beneficial, guys. I hope you will try and love the video. So do follow, subscribe and like and hit the notification bell for any video that I put. So happy skin brightening and happy Navratri to all of you. Jai Mata.